Hello. I saw one interesting design earlier and I immediately asked myself how would I do it. So let's see. I will create new component. Let's say component 1. You can choose name. Uh, in that design they used 3D sketches. I don't like using 3D sketches because it can be complicated. So I think I have some simple solution for this. So we have first component. We will create sketch. We can choose plane, whatever plane, but in this uh, particular design we will have to create sketch under angle. So we go to construct and choose uh, plane at angle. So we will select this axis and choose angle. Well, let's say we choose 15-degree angle. We will say minus 15 degrees. So we create this sketch. We can change angle here. Let's say 25. But at this point we will say 15 degrees angle and say OK. Now we will create sketch on this plane. Select sketch and then select this plane. So we are now creating sketch in this plane under angle. I will use slot at this point. You will see what am I trying to achieve. We will make some dimensions, let's say 50 millimeters, and let's center this. So I will select this coincidental constraint and select center of this line. It's not visible here, but there is a line, and we will select center of that line, middle of that line, and click on X and click on center of our coordinate system or center of the origin here. We will choose this dimension. Set 50, let's say 100 millimeters. We got this. Now I will delete this line. So select and press delete on keyboard and this line, and we have only this part. I will finish the sketch, and now we will create a plane on path. Plane at angle, plane along path. So we have this path, and I click, and we have plane. So we can move the plane along this path. We will choose it to be on the end of this line and say OK. Now at that plane we will create simple sketch, a simple circle, and center it on that point, and let's say diameter 10 millimeters. Finish sketch. So now we have this circle as a profile and this as a path. and I will use this command sweep create, press sweep, select profile as it says, and then select path. I will select path and we will have this feature. So we have that, and this is our first component. We see this symbol, and that means that it is it cannot be moved. It is grounded. Now we will copy and paste this component. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. We cannot copy and paste it until it is active. So we will make active this main file, and now we can select Control C, Control V. So we have copied and pasted that component. Now I will join these two components. Assemble, join command, or you can press J on your keyboard. I will select this point to be joined to this point, and we will have this. It is very simple. Now we will create several more components like this. It means copy paste. Control C, Control V. We will again join this element. So again join or press J on keyboard, which is shortcut, which is better, faster, and we will join that point to that point. One more or a few more times. Control C, Control V. Also you can, I'll show you. So I will now press J on my keyboard. It will activate command join. We'll join that point and that point, and we will have this. So we can copy paste like this. Select, right click, copy, right click, paste. Not that I rotated it. I'm not sure what am I done here. Let's say okay. Let's join. Press J on keyboard. So we have now something like that. We will rotate it 480 degrees, and we have 0 degrees here. Press OK. And we can continue with that, but how can we change this angle here? We can simply change this angle by changing the angle of this plane that we made at start. We said minus 15 degrees. Let's say it's too much, and we want minus 8 degrees. We have something like that. So we have this symbol here that bothers us, and we will hide it. We go to object visibility, joints, and deselect that. So we don't have that anymore. This design was interesting to me, and I wanted to share this with you. easy way how to do it. Thank you.